thing, you know?
You get those stupid teeth at the store.
Yeah. There, go. Run!
Little smoker! The Beverly Hillbillies are back! Oh!
Sounded like dynamite!
Wait, he heard one. He wanted to sell us one that was 4 times as big, and he went off by down at the river. And it was like an atomic bomb. Boom! I spilled my coffee all over. How you doing there, young lady? How you
You're
doing?
going to notice the Frisbee isn't out there anymore.
That should be illegal.
The Frisbee that was sitting on is gone.
That should be illegal. I was so not expecting it. It was like too late for fireworks. No, it's my ears are still ringing. Mine are too.
Here we go. I found the Frisbee. I found the Frisbee. There's a Frisbee. You see that piece of dirt?
Oh my God.
Out there, get her done. There she is. How you doing there, young lady? That there's a stick of dynamite. That's a man's smoker. That's what that is.
How much was it?
That's a man's smoker, $7. You paid for it, young man. Thank you.
Oh my God.
You guys think you want to hear a loud one?
Did the baby move, Danielle?
I don't know what you're... Huh? Here I am. I see